Uh, the topic is video. Uh, Genius of nature. Uh, we will become. Let's define the genius of nature. I think nature to define in the form of uh, water. If we really thirsty and drink water, it's nature. Or sometimes we hunger and eating foods. Or sometimes we sleep or needing the eyes closed. I think the sometimes we have to be aware, or because the creator of these things and ultimately in the form of recycle or your in the form of real. So it's I think the nature. So nature is keep it up, uh, automatically grow. You seen uh, particles and cells and bones, or maybe you're created of your as human being. So as we wise to confirms to what is your uh, actually for say, because and you needed uh, actually for listen talks and seen imaginations. So I think the in front of nature, I think the behind my scene of trees automatically grow. It's because nature of genius, or it's mean little seeds and how much the big plants in the front of your eyes, or it's a blessing of nature. So nature to close, I think we did not but it's mean did not connected to you are automatically connected, and you have to be observed in the uh, front of trees what are the sayings, or maybe it's sharp of leaves here and there, or to inform to more messages of natures is genius. So as we human being we did not observe, and or maybe we did not see the peace, and peace turn on your hearts and make friendship on hearts, you always be happy and make genius, or maybe or connected of the genius is a real nature.